advice for those who are travelling to watch the New Year's Eve fireworks. I'm standing outside Downing Street. The only fireworks that will happen here are during the Prime Minister's questions. Two of the best vantage points to watch the fireworks are Westminster Bridge looking towards the London Eye, or the embankment opposite the London Eye. The easiest way to get here on the night is by using the following stations. London Charing Cross Main Line, London Charing Cross Underground Station, served by the Bakerloo and Northern lines. Embankment Station, served by the Bakerloo, Circle, District and Northern lines. Westminster Tube Station, which is served by the Circle, District and Jubilee lines. Behind me is one of Britain's finest warriors. He won't be there on the night, but I wanted to give him a big shout. If anyone would like to guess what's on my Christmas jumper, please leave your thoughts in the comments.